So today, I believe, is day 9, and we are at Blacktail Canyon, which is this amazing, awesome canyon behind me out of the Tapete Sandstone. I think this morning we're going to try and get out early. It's almost 6 a.m. Ty's off cooking breakfast right now. I just came up to explore this little canyon, and then we're going to try and get out early and get to a really awesome camp tonight, which is called Deer Creek. But it should be a good day. It's beautiful up in here. You get away from the river and you can feel the heat coming off the rocks. And it's amazing how quiet it is in here. Morning.
Morning. There is no yogurt out, no.
They were really good. All the way through. They were good.
How is it?
Oh, yeah. No.
Bacon, good. Good pancakes too.
Settled in there and you can see that.
So we're headed down to Tapete's Creek. About 13 miles to go. A few rapids in between, but not far ways. It's a really pretty canyon right now. With a few smaller rapids to start the day, I decided to get some time on the oars, getting only a small taste of the force of the water. Later in the day, Ty took over on the oars for the slightly bigger rapids. Up first was Spectre, followed by Bedrock, which has a large rock in the center of the river with most of the water flowing to a narrow channel on the left, but we want to go to the right of it. And last, Dubendorf, with lots of white water. Up above, Colorado's down there, it's Tapete's Creek, and we're headed off with, got a couple people, 5 of us are hiking up to Thunder River. Should be a nice, beautiful hike up the canyon here.
Let's get going.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Charlotte doing river first aid. The sky looks so cool back there.
Yes, it's all I can do. Oh, it's all I can do, and it's all I can say. Bring it to your mom.
We climbed high above Tapete's Creek towards Thunder River.
Along this way.
It is said that this is the only place in the lower 48 states where a river flows into a creek. Though we aren't sure what exactly creates the designation between a creek and a river, it sure is a beautiful place to cool off and see a bit of the canyon beyond the Colorado River.
I laid her in the shade. Yes, I laid her in the shade. Oh, I laid her in the shade. Gave her every dime I made.
As we paddled downstream to meet up with the rest of our group at camp, we floated through the narrowest part of the canyon at Granite Narrows.
Breakfast! 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 Breakfast!
Camped right across the river from Deer Creek Falls, we had another great hike ahead of us today. Hiking a short ways up a steep climbing trail, we reached a great viewpoint looking down on the river. But our destination still lay ahead of us. So this is part of Deer Creek Falls. This is the upper patio area, they call it.
We're gonna go lay down.
Yeah, go relax in the water. The patio at Deer Creek is one of the most beautiful spots along the river. With large flat areas for lounging and little pools to swim in, all formed out of the Tapete sandstone, it is a little paradise. So we are at the patio and I'm gonna head on up. There's another spot, a little bit of a hike up, called the Throne Room, which some awesome waterfalls and pools up there. I'm gonna head up there and check that out. And yeah, nice relaxing day today, just kind of soaking up the water and the cool away from the sun.
On our way up to the throne room.
Right there.
Almost there, hey? I'm gonna go check out the throne, chill in some fresh water.
We made it. This is the throne room. Sitting in a throne next to the waterfall. Such an awesome spot, and kind of one of the coolest things about coming down here is hiking off into these side streets and finding these little like hidden oases within the desert. You look out and all you see is like rocks and cliffs, and then it's like a little oasis up in here. You can actually hike down in here from the rim if you want to hike down to Deer Creek. You can hike in from the rim. It's beautiful up here. It's amazing. Back at river level, we cooled off one last time at the bottom of Deer Creek Falls, taking in the force of the water. At camp, we hoped to be able to hike Olo Canyon, but unfortunately we couldn't find a safe way into the Slot Canyon. Instead, we took some time to relax.
She's going to trumpet with the 10. She's got 10 points toward game.
We were even lucky enough to have a bighorn sheep come down to try and get a drink before being surprised by our presence there. So this is Matcat Amoeba Canyon. It's an awesome little slot canyon that we're going to go explore, and then it opens up to a beautiful area up top.
These are the slots we were
Beautiful.
swimming in last time.
These are the little slot canyons of Matcat. Pretty cool to climb up. Little waterfalls all the way down and pools full of tadpoles and frogs. You can kind of like shimmy your way up and pretty awesome.
I'm on day 12 now.
Today is day 12, yeah.
4 days to go.
And today we're doing this, and then next stop will be Havasu after this, so pretty cool day. For us, climbing up the narrow slot canyon of Matcat at mile 148 is one of the most fun hikes along the river. Although you definitely wouldn't want to be here in stormy weather in case of a flash flood. After the narrow scramble, the canyon opens up into a beautiful amphitheater. This spot truly is another gem hidden in this amazing canyon. Heading downriver, we had one rapid to conquer before our next stop, called Upset. It was named Upset because one of the first river runners upset their boat here. Downstream at mile 156, we reached Havasu. A famed creek due to its aqua blue waters, we are excited to go explore and swim. The native people of this area are the Havasupai. In their language, Havasu means blue water, and they are the people of the blue water, rightfully so. The creek here is bright aqua blue due to the mineral salts and the calcium carbonate, which also makes the beautiful Travertine waterfalls and pools. This is another spot that you can also hike into and visit from the rim, and with many more amazing waterfalls and pools along the way.
That's all for this time, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and a huge thanks to our patrons. Appreciate all your support.
Yeah, thank you guys. Until next time.